Presenting Noise Flare in-ear wireless Bluetooth smart neckband earphone in the color stone blue. This noise neckband comes in 4 color variants of carbon black, forest green, mist grey and stone blue. The Flare in-ear wireless neckband has a body made of food-grade silicone as the neckband material, which makes it safe to use. The neckband comes equipped with 10mm speaker drivers that deliver powerful sound, taking your experience to the next level. The earbuds has Bluetooth version 5.0 with 10 meters range that offers you an uninterrupted and lag-free listening experience. Noise Flare offers you a playtime of up to 35 hours, so you are always with your music. It also comes with ultra-fast charging feature that delivers 8 hours of playtime in just 8 minutes of charge. Noise Flare features environmental noise cancellation with dual mic system, so you can experience incredibly clear calls. You can attend calls instantly without ever reaching for your phone with the Swift Caller feature. The Noise Neckband is perfect for listening music and attending phone calls. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.